Hey guys, it's Clinton. Welcome to the Only Profits Academy. I have been day trading and scalping the forex market for over 5 years, and I've been trading cryptos for a little over 2 years. And what we have in front of us today is the euro dollar. As you can see, I marked a price I'm expecting the market to reach. Just sold the market, and I'm going to place my take profit on that price. And how do I know for a fact that the market is going to take price to that level? Because of my keen level of observation and being able to understand my trading environment, understanding every single pair I trade, be it the euro dollar, the euro yen, or probably when I'm scalping gold or the pound yen. And in course of 2 trades I have taken on this account, I deposited over $100,000 of my own money, and I have made over close to 15% of this account already, which goes to show you that I do not have to take a lot of trades, but I still make a lot of money. And I'm going to explain my entire thought process to you guys in a bit, why I got into the trade, my opinion of the market, and stay tuned guys, and let's see what the market has in store for us today. Whoa, it's 16 minutes after 10 a.m. here in Miami, and I actually got a call from one of my students. I just got another message from one of my students, and I actually got into these trades with the past few trades with a couple of my students, because I noticed that it's a different thing for students to have access to certain knowledge, and being able to actually apply that knowledge and make the best out of it is a different thing entirely. And that is why I get into live trades with my one-on-one students. So if you want to get the one-on-one course, you can visit the website. And why did I get into this sell trade? I got into this trade because the market is clearly in a heavy sell trend, and I saw some sort of a retracement. But what I paid attention to the most was the price where I knew the market was going to hit, and my system helped me reveal that price. So all I had to do was follow it to profit, and I made over $6,000 in this trade, and I have successfully made over 20% of $100,000 deposit. And I am not one of those mentors that shows you a certain idea on trading view. I actually put my money where my mouth is and follow the market to profit with what I teach my students. One of them was in Houston, Texas. The 2 students I got into this trade with, one of them was in Houston, Texas, and one of them is in Dubai. And I actually got a message from the one in Dubai telling me that, oh, the trade take profit, this is the 3rd one, yada yada yada. And I was like, it's cool. So with that being said, guys, I just want to show you guys that nothing is impossible as long as you put your mind to it. And why I like getting into trades with students is because I notice what really kills a lot of traders is lack of confidence. A lot of traders sometimes see the perfect trade and they miss out on it because they're scared of the outcome, in the sense that they've taken so many trades and they've made so many losses that even when they see the perfect trade, they miss out on it because they are scared. And that is totally normal. Nobody is going to keep losing, and it's going to be unless you're some sort of a gambling addict or something, nobody's going to keep losing and is going to be more confident about taking more trades. And that is why you guys need to find the best system that suits you. If you want to scalp the market, how do you prefer to scalp? How do you prefer to look at the market? If you want to day trade. So if you want to get access to my signals, you can also visit the website. And if you want to copy my trades, because that is something I noticed that some of my students are busy with school or with family or with work, or just busy out there making the world a better place, and some of them just wanted to copy my trades. So if you want to copy my trades and leave the market with profits effortlessly, literally without doing anything, just connecting your live trading account to mine, you can visit the website or send me a message. And these are the easiest times to make money. and it's sad that a lot of people are still struggling. And if you noticed, one of the most beautiful things about this system is that it either hits your take profit, or worst case scenario comes back to break even. Because one of the most important things about trading is being able to protect your capital. So the euro dollar was in a sell trend. I followed the market to profits. Very quick trade. If you got any value from this video, go ahead and subscribe and like the channel, like the video, and you can also share the video with your friends that you might feel that this might be interested in my style of trading. So Clinton signing out. Once again, like, share, and subscribe. And hey guys, have a nice one. Hey guys, it's Clinton, and some of you guys have been asking for an update on the $500 account, and this is it. As you can see, I'm currently holding a trade on Bitcoin. I got into the trade earlier on this morning, and I sent analysis to the membership area, and I also got into this trade with a couple of my one-on-one students. And what I'm currently doing right now is I'm day trading Bitcoin actually, which I usually do not do, but when I see some opportunities, I do get into those trades, and I have been consistently leaving the market with profits. So what I did today was I bought Bitcoin earlier on, and I'm going to go ahead and close the trade for today, and I'm leaving the market with close to $5,000 worth of profits. And boom, there we go. I have successfully made close to $90,000 from a $500 deposit, and this is too easy. I mean, going through my account history, you can see an impeccable level of consistency. So if you want to copy my trades, feel free to send me an email or visit the website and connect your live trading account to mine, and just effortlessly leave the market with profits. There's going to be a trade copier for November. So if you're interested, it's best you reach out to me early so that I can, know that you're interested. So with that being said, you can see the most recent withdrawal I made, which was $21,000. I uploaded that on the channel, and I think that had over 1,000 views. I don't know why people like seeing withdrawals, but hey, I mean, if you're working out as a trader and you're consistent, it's only right you reward yourself from your hard work. And yeah, that's what I do. You can see consistent withdrawals going through my account history, and at least I've made withdrawals worth over $40,000 on this account. And this is the kind of consistency I want my students to achieve, and this is the kind of consistency traders should be able to achieve. These are the easiest times to make money, and if you are not making money, you are literally just, I don't know, probably just playing away with your life. So I'm just going to scroll down a bit. Time after time, take profit hits back to back. This is impeccable actually. This is an impeccable level of consistency. This is amazing. So yeah, Clinton signing out. $4,000 worth of profits made today trading Bitcoin. Over $44,000 made on a $500 account, and yeah, still over $80,000 of the market's money that I get to play with now. So it's going to be a giveaway very soon on the channel. So like and subscribe so that your friends can also, and share this video with your friends so that they can also get in on the giveaway.